practice 12.1, deploying a BPM project again. You can use either Composer or Studio. You can't use both because you are only going to deploy it once here. The assumption is that you have got something ready to deploy, and you have corrected all your errors all the way through practice 11. So let's get really started right here. This is going to be the tool of your choice. I'm going to choose to continue to use Process Composer for this one, and so it says make sure you use WebLogic credential and move forward. So here are details instructions for a business process composer. Step 1A. Now while logged in, mark tab in user with the loan application open, which I do have it open, but not necessarily for editing, and I have chosen to leave an opening just for viewing only. Select deployment and deploy projects. So I'm in marks 10 and we'll go to deployment, deploy project, and so we select that. It brings up this dialog box, and next instructions. After the print window opens up, say okay, complete the forms. Yes, we are going to do the new revision ID. Notice it's 1.0. Nothing else has our last revision 1 ID is 1.0. This is actually our very first time, so this will be the correct project. We'll go ahead and use 1.0, which is good enough for anything else. Override default deployment version. We'll go ahead and check that, and then we'll provide the credential, which is a credential for WebLogic. So that was WebLogic welcome one, and then it says so to be mark the revision as default. Well, yes, we should, because this is the one that we want to run. And our deployment target, as you can see here, there's only one choice here, and so we are going to choose that. And we get down here to the bottom, it says okay, click the deploy button. As we click that deploy button, it's going to go through a validations to make sure that things is okay. And once it's happy with that, it's going to actually do the deployment. Yes, project successfully deployed. We click OK, and here it says OK. Once that's done, proceed to task 2y. Well, these are the same instruction, but doing it over in a BPM Studio, which is slightly different using the existing connections. So let's move on to step 2. Step 2 says we're done. Close the BPM Studio or Process Composer. Close the project and release the lock. If you are holding the lock, well, we are not, so I'm simply going to close the project. There is no lock to release, and I'm going to log out, and that completes practice 12-1. Thank you.